You might be gaining dangerous fats inside your belly without even knowing it. And these hidden fats wrap around your organs and expose you to some conditions like heart attack, diabetes, and stroke. I'm Neme, a licensed pharmacist, and in today's video, I will show you 5 lazy but powerful hacks that can help you lose belly fat, even if you don't like exercising or dieting like me. Let's dive right in. What is inner fat? Let's put it in context. When we talk about belly fat, we are not just talking about what you see in front of the mirror. There's a dangerous type of fat called visceral fat, and these ones wrap around your liver, your pancreas, and your heart. And these visceral fats can be very dangerous. The scary part is that you may be having this fat, but you will still look slim. That is why it's called the silent killer. But the good news is, you do not need rigorous workout to fight this fat. All you need is smart, consistent habits. So number 1 on my list is morning lemon water. If you start your day with lemon water, it will help you boost your metabolism level and help you flush out toxins and makes the liver to detoxify and burn fat faster. How to do this is just get warm, not boiling water, just warm water, and squeeze in half lemon inside and drink it. If you keep doing this every morning, your liver will thank you. Number 2 on my list is eat soluble fiber. See, lazy fat loss is not all about eating less. It's all about eating smart. Add soluble fibers to your diet. Why should you do this? Because it slows digestion and makes you full more quickly, and it also targets belly fat. It also keeps you full for a longer period of time and help you minimize your cravings. So food that are rich in this soluble fiber: chia seeds, oatmeal, avocado, beans, even just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds can help you burn belly fat. Number 3 on my list, 10 minutes of post-meal walk. This is my favorite lazy hack, and it's also backed by science. No gym, no equipment, just after food, walk around your house or your compound for just 10 minutes. What it does is that it reduces your sugar level spikes and insulin resistance, which is a major trigger for belly fat. So if you just keep this habit, do this 2 times in a day, belly fat will definitely be attacked. Number 4 on my list, eat early and light. So try to eat at least 3 hours before you go to bed, and eat light too. Don't go downloading 1 full bowl of eba before you sleep. And avoid late night snacking because your body takes that time to repair and not digest. So if you eat early before bed and you eat light, of course, belly fat will be burned. So let's quickly recap my 4 lazy hacks. Number 1, start your day with warm lemon water. Number 2, eat soluble fiber. Number 3, 10 minutes post-meal walk. And number 4, eat early and light. You don't have to be extreme. All you need to do is consistent, and you will see your belly fat burned. If this was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the wellness family. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.